Yeah, BoZoe, man, aka PAC Jr., Divine Sounds.
What people do for money.
What people do for money is crazy. Daily, they be trying to relieve their suffering. Cause you see, on the street, they be hungry. I am street smart, BoZoe don't be no dummy. I stay laughing at my haters, cause they be so funny. You know, I chase that money, homie. I'm on the block, looking for guap. I won't stop till I touch the top. BoZoe.
Hollywood, that's what he said. He played with your head, and then he skipped town with all your bread. Got hit by a car, fell to the ground, and people all over start to gather around. And he was hurt so bad, it seemed to be, but he was only down for the currency. Huh? Ladies at the corner look so fine, and man, oh man, I wish she was mine. I mean, she looked so cute with a skin tight suit, but she was selling that body as a prostitute. Well, it might sound sad or might sound funny, but that's what people do